In this set of tutorials, we'll look at the basics of programming with the Arduino board, using the Arduino Uno starter kit, the Arduino program, and processing. First, we'll look at the basics of what you get with your starter kit, and what software you'll need. Included in your Arduino starter kit should be the Arduino board itself, a breadboard for external wiring, several different colored wires, and a set of sensors, some of which are shown here, which we'll discuss later, along with some carbon resistors. The Arduino board itself can seem a bit complex, but not if we just focus on the parts that we'll be using in these tutorials and in your NMD courses. The top of the board includes the USB port, the silver box, and a line of digital pins. These pins are where you connect to sensors. The digital pins take in or put out a single value at a time, such as on or off, when using a button. On the bottom right, you'll see the 6 analog pins, which take in or put out a continuous value, such as a set of numbers when using the light sensor. And to the left of the analog pins are the power pins, which power the breadboard when external wiring is needed, which we'll discuss in the next tutorials. Next, we'll talk about the software you'll need when programming the Arduino board. Let's start with 2 simple programs, the first of which being Arduino. Go to the download page and download the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, unzip the file and the program should be able to run. Next, we'll download Processing, another open source programming language for new programmers. If you're already in an NMD course at Maine, you've probably already gotten this application. If not, just do the same as before, selecting the correct version for your operating system. Once you unzip the file and have opened both Arduino and Processing, you'll notice that they look the same, since they're both open source programs that are compatible with the Arduino board. And the way that you program these applications are very similar to each other. In Processing, there are pre-programmed examples that we'll use with the Arduino board that you do not already have. To get them, search for Playground on the Arduino website and find the Arduino Processing Playground page. On this page, download the .zip file of the library and follow the instructions below it. If you have a Mac, this is fairly simple, so follow along. After unzipping the file, just open up a new Finder window, go to your username, Documents, and you'll see a folder called Processing. Drag your newly unzipped Arduino file into that file. Now if you go back into Processing and go to File, Examples, at the very bottom there should be a new folder called Contributed Libraries, with the Arduino library in it and its 3 examples. Now you have everything you need to begin programming with your Arduino board. In the next tutorial we'll talk about using the LED and buzzer pins for output.